was the wildest thing because I knew I had more pieces from Shein that I had in here. So actually what happened was I had them mixed up in some other clothes that I had, which is crazy because they were in a bag, but whatever. This is actually another shirt that I bought. It's a horrible idea. What time? I thought this was super cute. And this one was also an extra large. It's a green shirt. Now I can also wear this shirt if I want to go green on green or olive green on olive green. I can wear that with that green stripe pants that I just showed you guys. Or I can wear this top with it, which is what I talked about. It's actually a Queen of Hearts. I said spades, but same difference. Thought it was super cute. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. So these, I can actually wear these now. These are extra large as well, or 1XL. And it has the top with it too. Same design on the side. So I thought this was cute. And again, this is something I can wear now. And also once I lose weight. Now, those are actually all from the Shein pieces that I had. Everything is super cute. The material seems to be great. Again, I'm going to come back in another video and kind of give you guys the rundown as to how they fit. If they're worth buying, and also the prices. I believe I told you guys in the first video, but if not, I'll go into it in the next video. And what I'm going to do is I also have the pieces online where you can see a lot of these items have already sold out, especially on Fashion Nova. I know for sure that jumpsuit that I showed you guys, the baby blue jumpsuit, that one is sold out. I had to get that because I thought that would have been super cute. But so far everything is pretty much wearable. I like the pieces, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into this boohoo, and that's gonna be the last one. And then in the next video, like I said, a few days from now, maybe a week from now, I'll go ahead and upload the last video where I'm talking about the pieces. I do have more hauls coming for you guys to kind of give you an idea of how these online stores operate, and then I'll talk about the shipping, and you know, if I had any issues, which I did, but that's a whole nother video. But wasn't too bad, but it is something to be cognizant of. If you're ordering from a lot of these sites, what I've learned is they all tie into the same type of hub. So something you see on Shein, you might also see in or on Boohoo. And I believe, and I don't think that anybody should tell me otherwise, I believe a lot of these sites is probably run by the same company. I know that sounds strange, but that's just the experience that I had. But so far, everything seems to be wearable, like I said, durable. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I got to do something with my allergies because my voice is just like all over the place. But go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. It's free to subscribe. It's free to like. Doesn't cost you anything. But hope you guys like the video. See you in the next video. Bye.